Oh my great! Oh, they're all Great Digger fire knocked them all off.
Colton, what is that?
A snake.
It's a what?
Snake.
It's a snake? Ah! Run!
Man, we're about to make monster truck pirates. Make monster trucks walk the plank. But you gotta have something in the water, so you gotta have a shark. Chomp, chomp, chomp. Then you gotta have another shark. Chomp, chomp, chomp. Even cooler is snakes.
Oh no! No!
Oh my gracious! Pirate's curse are making them fall off the plank.
You can't touch me!
Oh, Captain's curse knocked them off.
Can't touch me!
Oh, Dragon's putting up a fight. No, Dragon, no! Colton is gonna fall in! Oh, Colton! Oh no! Oh, it's gonna make him! Oh my gracious! No, no! And hold on! Come on, please! Oh! Down into the snake pit it went, Colton! Oh my gracious! Oh! All right, there's one. Don't let that snaky get you. Don't let him get you. Oh, oh no! Come to get it! Oh, good job, man. Good job, buddy! Good job! Watch out for that big shark. Don't let it chomp you. No, don't let it chomp you, Colton! Oh no! Quick! Yeah! Oh, get it! Woo! Good job, buddy! Oh, do the dance! Oh yeah! Let the snake get you! Oh, good job, dude. That was quick. Look where that one is. You gotta go in there and get Hotweiler. Be careful. Be careful. Go quick. Oh, get it quick. Oh, no. Yay! Colton saved them all. Look, now they're gonna get the pirates. Your turn to walk the plank. Oh, man. Oh, look. Oh, no, they're gonna get Colton. Look.
Oh.
Get him.
Wait, guys.
Oh, man, they're all going. Woo! Well, guys, how awesome was that? We had pirates walking the plank and pushing them in. Did you remember that, Colton?
Yeah.
And as you can tell, look, these are our friends. This is Thor, our ball python, and
Statham, our red-tailed boa.
Our red-tailed boa. These are our friends. I know we acted like we were scared, but we love snakes, right, Colton?
Yeah.
Right. What's he doing? Is he getting you? But guys, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Take a little pool, make something creative, and have fun. And obviously love snakes, but have fun and be creative. Do something awesome today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Have a great weekend. Bye.
Bye.
What do they need to do, Colton?
Hit that notification button. Ding.
Hit hit that notify button.
Ding!
Bing!